Dear friends, now let us see how to use line spacing in MS Word, or how to increase or decrease the line spacing in MS Word document. Let us go to any Word document. So this is a sample document. It's a random text document they have created for demo purpose. So now let us see how to increase or decrease line spacing in MS Word. Okay, first of all, let me justify it. Okay. Now this is the space which is available in between lines. Right? These are the space which are available. And if you feel to increase the line spacing much more, then first let me select a particular paragraph, first and second para. After selecting the paragraph, just go to these three dots. Okay, more options. Click it. Then there is an option called line spacing. In this, you can select 1, then 1.15, 1.5 to 2.53. So any options you can choose. I am selecting 1. That means it just decrease the line spacing. Okay. I just want to increase the line spacing. So 1.15. Actually, this is the normal default mode, 1.15. Then let me go to 1.5. Then click somewhere on the document. So this looks somewhat nice compared to the below document. Right? So based on your requirement, you can change. Okay. So let me change this similar to the above. Go to 3 dots, click line spacing 1.15. So there is a standard one, 1.5. So by increasing the line spacing, you don't feel cluttered in the document. Right? So there will be enough space in the document so that it looks much more neat. That is the main purpose of using line spacing. See, compared to this, quite congested. So this one looks comfortable. Okay. Let me zoom in, zoom out. Okay. So this is the line spacing 1.5. This is the default line spacing. Okay. So if you want to do it for all, click Ctrl A, then go to 3 dots, then click line spacing, click 1.5. So all the documents will be of 1.5 size. Okay. It will be uniform throughout. And suppose you want to have only this document, right? For example, smaller in font. Okay. Also, something like abstract like that. Then. So compared to this, you can also decrease this. Once you select it, go to 3 dots, go to line spacing, then click 1. Right? So this will give you a summary of this heading. Then you can increase the line spacing. So the simple step is how to increase or decrease the line spacing is that you have to select that particular sentence. Go to 3 dots, go to line spacing, then select any of these. Okay. If you select 2.5, it will be too long and doesn't look nice. So let me undo it. So you have to either select 1.15 or 1.5. That will be more pleasant for presentation. Right? It will give you a good presentation of the Word document. Okay. Okay. Thank you, friends. So this is the procedure how to increase or decrease line spacing in MS Word. Quite simple. Try.